That's a boat. It's maybe Atticus's first boat.
Oh yeah, because they.
Oh, it's coming. That's our boat. It's our raft.
They're to live in. I'm getting a little like. Yeah, we
I
gotta.
can just sit like this and I won't fall. I can just sit like this and I won't fall.
Up! Oh, we're in the water! Yay!
Oh my god.
There we go.
I like the music. I'm holding on to Atticus to keep me safe.
Got Atticus.
What do you see?
Oh, there's a spider!
There's a spider. Oh my god.
Oh, don't scare him.
It's fake.
Are we stuck?
Yeah, we're stuck. There we go. Oh, we're going now.
What do you see, Lincoln? What?
Oh my god. Did you see that?
Jaguars. Oh yeah.
A lion. I'm getting scared.
Wait.
Oh, we're in the river.
Look at you.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, it's Ella the elephant. I hear it.
Where? Oh, you'll see the little frog?
That's not big.
Ooh, an iguana.
Oh, dang, look at that.
Is there a monkey on top?
Yeah.
Whoa, monkey.
I'm scared.
See monkey? Say hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Bye, bye, monkey.
It's okay, you don't have to hold it.
I really don't want anything cold.
Oh, green. I hear a waterfall.
The waterfall's coming up.
I hear a waterfall.
Okay,
Wow.
at some point, somebody does get really wet on the waterfall, don't they? Or is it just a little spurt?
I think what it does is it.
Oh, big snake. See the big snake?
Oh, look at the snake.
Ah! Hi, snake.
Yeah,
Zebras. See zebras?
yeah, and monkeys.
Oh, I can feel the breeze. Oh, it's a giraffe's bottom. Go now, giraffe. Get Ella.
Oh, it's pretty cool.
Alligator, bro. Hey.
Crocodile! Ah, it's about to eat us!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, big one.
I literally never.
Oh, good.
Ah, it's Ella the elephant! Ah!
Wow. All the tigers, oh my gosh. Oh no! Let us through.
Thank you for telling us.
Oh, it stopped. They must like us.
Okay, good.
There goes.
Oh, I got a little wet. Did you get a little drop?
Snakes. Oh gosh.
Oh, look, Lincoln, it's the dot. It's the magic gem.
Wow. Hello. The treasure zone. Hey, yay! Did it!
Wow.
Oh! Lincoln, yeah, you figured it out. Just sees the big fish. Look at those fish.